Welcome to Mr. Math Academy. Grow your math brain.
Hey students, welcome back to Mr. Math Academy. I have done problem numbers 1 to 11 also over. Now remaining only 12 and 13. Okay, I can able to finish this video, and in the next video I can able to finish this chapter. Next, which chapter you want me to explain, just put it in the comment box so that I'll look into that and I'll go accordingly. And I hope you people are doing very well. I have seen in the comments also. Thanks for your comments. Let us go ahead with the problem, and this problem is quite interesting, and there is a 3 steps in that we have to solve. First we have to use Heron's formula, then we have to find out the area, complete area, then we have to find out the area by parts, then after that we have to go for this one, factorization method. So then you will get the solution. So let us go ahead with that. See what question is given. Just I'll tell by looking at the figure itself. ABC is triangle circumscribed a circle, okay, and O is the center of the circle, and the value of radius OD is 4 centimeter. Now what will happen? CD is equal to 6 centimeter and DB or BD is equal to 8 centimeter. Now what we have to do is we have to do that AC we have to find and AB we have to find. That is what. Now they have given CD is equal to 6 centimeter and DB or BD is equal to 8 centimeter. We have to find AC and AB. Okay, to find AC and AB, what we have to do? We have to look into that. Remember, C is the external point. For these are the tangents. This is a tangent, this is a tangent, this is also tangent, and this is also tangent at this point, external point. Okay, so if this is a 6 centimeter, obviously from here to here it is also 6 centimeter, because tangent drawn from the external point are equal. So from here, from this point of contact, this is from here to here, how much? This is 8, right? This is also 8 centimeter. I'll write name A, B, C, D is there. No, I'll write E, F. Okay, done. Now what we have to do means, there is no other option. See, if this triangle means we have some definite formula. Okay, hypotenuse is there, base is there, means we have formula half into base into height. If equilateral triangle all the sides are equal, means root 3 by 4 a square to find the area. When there is a scalene triangle, okay, that time we have to find the area, means when the sides are given, that time we have to find the area with the different sides of a triangle. What we have to do? We have to use Heron's formula. Heron's formula that already you have studied in the this one 9th standard. Let us, by solving that, we will recollect that also, and we will go to solve the problem directly. So what I am telling now here, see, they have given the values here. This much value they have given. Here we don't know the value. So what I will do, I'll write, see, this much length I don't know, I'll keep it as x. Since this is the external point, A is the external point, what will happen? What length is here? Here also same length. So this will also be x. Don't forget. Now let us go to find area. Before that, let us write given. What they have given? Okay. O is the center of circle, and whose radius is 4 centimeter. Okay, triangle ABC is circumscribed a circle, So what will happen? Okay, circumscribing a circle. Now we know the values. Okay, we know that what they have given, CD is equal to 6 centimeter, DB is equal to 8 centimeter they have given. Okay, and since this is 6 centimeter, this is also 6 centimeter, this is 8 centimeter, this is also 8 centimeter. these are x. I don't know, so I am keeping like that. So let us find the complete area. To find the area of triangle ABC, bigger triangle area I am going to find now. So what will be the area of bigger triangle? Let us write. Okay, see, to find the area of a triangle, we have formula, Heron's formula only we have to use now. Heron's formula only we have to use, because there is no other option. It is not an equilateral triangle and it is not a right angle triangle. Just sides they have given, and we are going to find the unknown values there. When we find the unknown value, we can able to add this length plus this length, so we can able to find AB also and AC also. So let us write Heron's formula. I'll write separately. What is Heron formula? S is equal this one. So area of triangle is equal to root of S into S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. This is the formula, where S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. This is the formula. So what I will do here now, let us find very first semi-perimeter. So I'll write here, what I'll write, semi-perimeter value I will write here. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. What is this A, B, C here means? A, B, C means sides. Okay, measure of side, all the AB, BC, AC. These are the measurements of AB. So what I will call, I will write separately here. Okay, I will write separately here. Let AB consider it as A, BC consider it as B, CA consider it as C. Okay, now I'll write values here. A how much? Complete AB. Complete AB how much? X plus 8. X plus 8. B how much? B is nothing but BC. Okay, this is not B. B is nothing but BC. BC is 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 how much? 14. Next C. C is nothing but CA. Complete length. CA how much? 6 plus X. 6 plus X. X plus 8. 14 plus 6 plus 8 divided by 2. Now what I will do, this implies not equal to, okay, this is implies this much only. So what I will write, S is equal to X plus X 2X plus 16 plus 4 is 20, 20 plus 8 is 28 divided by 2. Next what I will do, 2 I will take common outside. Okay, 2 I will take common outside. So 2x plus 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2 4s are, okay, 14 2s are 28, all divided by 2. These two get cancelled. Okay, S is equal to X plus 14. This is the value of S. What is S? Is the semi-perimeter of any triangle. Semi-perimeter, half of its perimeter. Now second step we'll go ahead. X plus 14. Now there is no space here, I erased it. Let us find the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC, complete area we have to find. Very first trick, that only. So what we have to do, root of formula, Heron's formula, S is equal to S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. See, this is A, in the sense X plus 8. I'll write here, A is nothing but X plus 8. B is nothing but, this is 14. What is B here? This length, BC, that is 14. C is nothing but CA, that is CA. 6 plus X, 6 plus X or X plus 6, whatever you can write. Okay, I'll erase this also. Let us go ahead. So what will be there? S means X plus 14. S is again X plus 14 minus A means how much? A means X plus 8. X plus 8. Okay, completely I'll put on bracket for this. Again, S is nothing but how much? X plus 14. Okay, again minus B is nothing but how much? 14. B is nothing but 14. I'll put it in the bracket. Okay, no need. If you're not putting the bracket also, that is enough. 14. Again, one more s minus c is there. I have to write here only. I'll write here itself. So let me write directly, no problem. S how much? X plus 14. X plus 14. Then what will happen? X plus 14 minus this minus c value how much? X plus 6. X plus 6. I have to put the bracket and close it up. Okay. So a little lengthy, but it's simple calculation. Okay. Let us first simplify this. I'll write x plus 14. Now this we have to simplify. X plus 14 minus x minus into plus minus 8. X plus 14 minus 14. Now x plus 14 multiply minus 6 minus x. Okay, simple calculation. So x plus 14 as it is, plus x minus x get cancelled. 14 minus 8 is 6, plus 14 minus 14 get cancelled, x as it is. Next, plus x minus x get cancelled. 14 minus 6 is 8. 14 minus 6 is 8. Now what it will happen? X plus 14 as it is. This one, these two number. First I'll write this x here. Okay, 6 is there now. Let us split it. 2 into 3. 3 2s are 6. Again 8 is there. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. I split it. Why? It will be helpful. So x as it is, x plus 14. Now 3 into 3 as it is, I'll write off. Again what will happen? This into 2 into 2, 2 square. Okay, again 2 into 2, 2 square. I repeat, this x I wrote here, this as it is. 2 3s are 6, 8 as 2 into 2 into 2. Same thing I copied, 3 I took next to this number. This number and this number together, 2 square. 2 into 2, 2 square. 2 into 2, 2 square. Now square and this root cancel. Square and this root will get cancelled. So what will happen? Okay, 3 into x, 3x under root x plus 14. Now these two came outside after getting divided by the means getting cancelled by the root, square and the root. These two will come out. So 2 2s are 4. 4 will come out of the root. So what will happen? 3 into x, 3x. This number as it is only. Close the bracket. Now this square and root get cancelled. So these are independent now. 2 2s are 4. Take it outside. This is what the area of triangle. This is the area, complete area. Remember. Okay, complete area of the triangle what we have written now. So what we will do now, next step, we'll make it into 3 parts of a triangle. After making it into 3 parts, we can able to find that parts area. Then again we'll equate with this whole area. Then we'll get the values of that x. Okay, let me erase this. Okay students, let us continue. See, I told before itself, AB is nothing but call this as A. Okay, and its measurement is, I called it as XX, so x plus 8. Oh, remember this one we need it. BC how much? BC I called it as B, and its value is equal to 14 centimeter. Next CA. CA is I told it as C, and its value is 6 plus x. This one keep it aside. So now we got semi perimeter S value. How much we got S value? To how much S is equal to 4 into root of 3x x plus 14. This is what the value. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll erase this. Let us go to find area by its parts now. Okay, to find that what we will do, okay, very first join CF, then BE, and which one we have to join? AD. So we have to join like this. Again this one we have to join. Okay, so how many triangles are there here? Means 3 triangles. Imagine this is the one triangle, complete one triangle. Okay, now this is one triangle, this is one triangle. I'll erase this also for time being. See, this one triangle, and this one also I'll erase for time being. This one triangle. Okay, 3 triangles are there. 1, 2, 3. These 3 parts we have to find out so that we will get the value. To find this, what I will do, this you line radius, make it as a imagination. Remember that is 4 centimeter. Okay, this is 4 centimeter. Now let us find the area separately. Separate I'll find. Area of triangle, small triangle I will take. Very first I'll start from here. OBC. Okay, area of triangle OBC, which is equal to half into base into height. Half into base, how much? These two had. How much you will get? 14. Height how much? 4. You know, no, radius 4. So 4 centimeter. So 2 1s are 2 2s are. So 14 2s are 28 centimeter square. This is what the area of triangle OBC. This is one part. Okay, this below part is over. Now which one we have to find? That side and this side we have to find. See, to find this one, what we will do, we will take area of triangle OAB. This is one point, this is another point. Area of triangle AOB. AOB is equal to half into base into height. Half into base, how much? That is the base. Okay, just tilt like this and imagine x plus 8. It is there now. X plus 8. This is the base. X plus 8. Put it in the bracket. Height how much? That is 4 centimeter. Now 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. X plus 8 into 2. 2 into x. 2x. 8 2s are 16. This is the area of triangle AOB. Let us find the area of triangle this side, AOC. Area of triangle AOC, that is equal to half into base into height. Just what I am doing, I am finding the part area. Okay, by parts I am finding the area. This is the base, x plus area of triangle AOC is equal to half into base into height. Half base how much? Which triangle I am finding? AOC, this one. Base is 6 plus x. 6 plus x, put it in the bracket, into height how much? As usual 4. Okay, now we will divide. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. So x plus 4 into 2. What will become? 6 2s are 12 plus 2 into x, 2x. This is what the area of triangle AOC. Students, one thing I wanted to tell. I know this is little bit big problem, but it is easy. It's not difficult. You have to practice it. Okay, definitely if you practice, you will get around 3 marks. Okay, let us what we have to do. See, first complete area we got. Now area by parts we got. Now we will equate, that's all. Then we will get one equation. Then we have to again we have to factorize it. That's all. But hold on, definitely you can able to solve. Just it needs some patience. Okay, definitely we will solve. Try to practice. Once you practice very well, no, then you can solve very quickly in the examination also. Let me erase this so that I'll go for to compare the complete area and area by parts. Okay, these are the parts area. Now we have to compare with the complete area and this one, this is not S, this is area of triangle, area of complete triangle ABC. Okay, area of complete triangle ABC. So we'll write area of triangle ABC is equal to complete area of triangle is equal to area of triangle parts OBC plus area of triangle ABO AOB plus area of triangle this one AOC. So what will happen? OBC, how much? OBC 28. AOB is 2x plus 16. AOC how much? AOC is 12 plus 2x. See, whatever area is there here, everything I copied there. So this one I don't want now. Triangle ABC area how much? 4 into root of 3 into x. No, 3 I'll write separately only. I'll x multiply x into x square plus 14x. Okay, same thing, 3 into x square plus 14x. From where it comes to that one only is 4 into root of 3x x plus 14 is there, no? That one only 4 into 3 as it is, x into x square plus x into 14x I wrote. Okay, it will be easy for the next further calculation. So this is the value directly I have written here. Okay, that is the area of complete triangle. Let us find out 4 into root of 3 into x square plus 14x, which is equal to 28, 16, 12 is 56. Now 2x plus 2x is 4x. Now what I will do, I'll take 4 common outside here. So what will happen if you take 4 common out? 14 4s are, okay, 14 1s are. Am I correct? So 4 into 3 x square plus 14x. Now this is in term, here nothing means into will be there. This is also into. Then 4 will get cancelled. 3 x square plus 14x, which is equal to 14 plus x. Now I have to remove this square root. So square root I have to remove means I will take square root on both the side. Square root on both the side. What will happen? 3 into I'll multiply 3 into x square, 3x square plus 14 3s are 42x, which is equal to 14 plus x. See what I did, just I multiplied this number here, square root on both side, right? So if I take square root on here both the side, what will happen? Both the side I took the square root. Square and root will get cancelled. So this one will be as it is. So what I did here, multiply 3x square, 3 into x square, 3x square plus 3 into 14, 42x as it is. Now what I will do, 3x square plus 42x as it is. Let us go for to expand with the formula a plus b whole square. 14 14s are 196 plus x into x square plus 14 2s are 28, 28 into x 28x. Now take everything to the LHS, it will become 3x square minus x square, then plus 42 as it is. Take 28 to the LHS, which is equal to 96 also, 196 also, you take it to the LHS, it will become 0 here. So 3x square minus 1x square is 2x square. 42 minus 28, how much? 12 remaining, 4 here, 3 will be there, 1 14 14x minus 196 is equal to 0. So what we will do, see all are even number, we can divide by 2. Let us divide by 2. What will happen? X square, 7 2s are 14, 196 divided by 2 is how much? 98. 98 is equal to 0. Now we will factorize this one. This is the final step. X square plus 7x minus 98 is equal to 0. After factorization we will get this one, 7x I'll write here only. So what will happen here, two numbers I have to take in such a way that if I multiply I should get minus 98, if I add I should get this one. So 14 7s are 98. Bigger number is here, minus is there, here plus is there. So for this number you plus, this is minus, plus into minus, minus 14 7s are 98. plus 14 minus 7, which is equal to 7, correct? Okay, so what I will do here, I'll erase this. So x square, in the place of this one I have to write this one. So 14x minus 7x minus 98 is equal to 0. Separately factorize, x you take it common, x plus 14. So minus 7 you take common, x minus minus you came out, it will become plus here. 14 is equal to 0. 2 are same common, so take it outside, x plus 14. So remaining x minus 7, which is equal to 0. Compare with 0, x plus 14 is equal to 0. X minus 7 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 14. Do not consider this. X is equal to 7. You have to consider this. Y means they are in the triangle, they are giving x values has some length. So length should not be negative. Length should not be negative. So consider x is equal to 7. Therefore, this is the happiest moment for you people now. We have to find the length AC and AB. So AB is equal implies how much? AB is nothing but what? X plus 8. X plus 8 implies x means how much? 7. 7 plus 8, which is equal to 15 centimeter. Next, we have to find AC. AC implies x plus 6 or 6 plus x. 6 plus 7, how much? 13. We got AB is 15 centimeter and AC is equal to 13 centimeter. That is what we have to find. So we got, so AB how much? AB, this length 15 centimeter. AC how much? 13. This length is 13 centimeter. Well, I completed this problem. In the next video I will complete 13th problem, then this chapter will finish. So it's your turn to practice very well. Okay, when I solve the next problem, if you have any queries, and I'll put it in the comment box. Till then, be with Mr. Math Academy. Thank you.